Beautiful soul, if this video found you, it's because you need to stop apologizing for existing. I hate that you can't see my little Christmas tree because of my broad, muscular self. Alright, beautiful souls, let's lock in.
And now, our feature presentation.
Falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night.
It's time that you stop apologizing for existing. I'm sensing this overwhelming amount of anxiety, needing to walk on eggshells around everybody, this need to kind of walk around with like an invisible cloak because there's something in your identity. You were just made to believe that there's everything about you is just worthless. Like you are worthless. I don't know if you're a minority, if you were extremely bullied, if you just grew up in a not so loving household, so that's how you now believe. That's what you now believe about yourself. Like you don't deserve love because you've never experienced it. You were never shown it. You never had it. Let me tell you something. I know to that wounded inner child that this world can seem like a very, very cruel place, especially if you're a minority, a person of color, a beautiful queer little icon out there like myself. I know that this world was made to seem very, very unsafe and that your existence isn't valid or that you shouldn't be here due to maybe what you see in society or due to maybe some religious trauma, due to maybe what certain family members have said or made you feel. First thing I want to say is your feelings are valid. The second thing I want to say is those experiences were shitty and you did not deserve to get bullied, ridiculed, outcasted, made to feel like disposable, made to feel like you didn't deserve this life just because you were quote unquote different. Those things that happened to you were shitty and horrible. You didn't deserve them, but they happened. And so it's time for you to reframe your mindset around the traumas, no matter if they were big T traumas or little t traumas. The next thing I want to tell you is those things cannot and will not break you. Those traumas, those setbacks, those trials and tribulations, they weren't sent to you because God hates you. The universe made you by mistake and now they're laughing at you and teasing you. No. I want you to think of it as character motherfucking development for your sexy, beautiful ass. Character development. It was molding you and shaping you into that beautiful earth angel that you are today. The one that is confident and strong. The one that has the growth mindset over the fixed mindset. The one that now has conviction and purpose to go after their dreams unapologetically. Do you see how all of the pain, my love, was just to aid you in that character development of your main character ass? The next thing I want to say is, don't you think it's time for you to show these haters, the people that doubted you, these cunts, what truly is good? Haven't you suffered enough, baby girl? Don't you just simply deserve it because you've been through enough? Don't you want to shine? Don't you want to give yourself the life of ease, the life full of love, the life full of magic and softness that you've always motherfucking wanted? You don't have to go through life full of anger anymore, full of pain anymore, full of sadness anymore. Definitely don't have to go through life questioning if you have a reason, if your existence is valid, if you have a purpose. Because if you didn't have a purpose, you wouldn't be here. The universe, God, Jesus took its very magical time creating your unique ass with your own unique energy and blueprint and mission and dream. So it's time that you stop apologizing for existing and start showing the world what is up, what you're capable of, what an amazing soul you are. Time to show the world how talented God truly made you. And you can't do that anymore radiating this, and you can't do that while radiating this small dick, meek, little, invisible energy. It's time that you stand tall. It's time that you walk into every room like God the universe sent you, because it literally did. Start walking into every room like the vibration goes higher because you walked into it. Stop apologizing for existing and start manifesting your dreams. Start living up to your truest potential. Let those talents shine, because life is a beautiful gift. And not every day is promised, so we have to make the most of it. And you don't want to get to a point in your life where now you're regretting never having the balls to go after those dreams and to make life come. So period. It's time that you lock in, stop apologizing for existing, and step into your greatness and continue to be iconic. And if anyone ever gives you shit for being who you are, tell them I will kick their ass with these guns.